Show you how to insert a canvas. This is going to be for section BIV. And what you want to do is insert the canvas by telling it, first things first, where it's going to come from. For me, I made this pig light drawing file, and I'm going to use my alligator light, misspelled of course. And I'm going to say that I want to open it, and the next thing it's going to ask me for is the face or the plane that I'm going to use. I've set up the origin for everyone, just so you know. And this should be pretty self-explanatory, but you might end up with this thing, a little tiny, and you might need to scale it. So if you want to, make it perfect, take a photo top down, and you might need to scale it a little bit. Easiest thing to do for scaling would be to grab it from this corner right here and just drag it out and then place it where you can see it. And once you have this thing placed pretty well, you should be able to build off of it and use it as a reference image. So this is about right. What I really am looking for, just so you know, and you should see this too, your hardline drawings have these components in it. So one of the easiest ways, for me at least, is I remove the top and I just look at where the gears are. But in this case, I look at also where's the notch for the crank or where are the buttons, and I make sure that my drawing actually matches up with that. So when I'm scaling this thing, I'm actually paying attention to like, what did I draw this like? And in here, like I have my buttons, and it's pretty good. It's an approximation more than anything. But I'm noticing that, it's not perfectly 90 degrees, so I might want to go -2 or something like that. That way it's a little bit closer to the shape. And if I don't feel like it's doing it justice, I might scale it a little bit, move it a little bit. And again, if I don't want to go the full tilt there, but about 2 degrees. It's about 2 degrees off. Now, if you have your canvas and you're unhappy with it, just remember you can always right-click by two-finger clicking anything and editing the feature, and you'll get all of these presets back. So I hope this was helpful. Scale it so that everything fits. The big thing is that we just want to make sure when you're scaling it, you're grabbing it from these edges, or you're grabbing it from here, and you're making the drawing work for you. This is a sketch. It's a reference. It's not meant to be perfect. It's meant to be just, useful. So anyways, I hope this was helpful. Again, you can change any of those presets over here, and let me know if you have any questions or concerns, and I look forward to seeing all of your designs. Click OK, and you have your canvas. Canvases, again, are located right here. If you don't want to see them or you do, you just click like that.